Chapter 13, how to use moving floor modules, or rather, how can we combine moving floor modules? Well, the first place, you can combine very easily parallel moving floor modules to have a wider surface, or you can put them one after the other to have a bigger length. This is the easy part. You can also use moving floors as a cascade system, as you see there. In this case, it was a moving floor dryer with two stages organized as a cascade. This helps to mix up the material if the material drops from one floor to the other. But you can also combine moving floor modules in more original ways. For example, a vertical moving floor agitating as a dynamic wall, bringing the material towards the horizontal moving floor. This was done here. Or another situation that I would call a hamburger, a burger with two sides, and the two sides are two horizontal moving floors. The upper one a little bit inclined, and this helps to open balers. So there are very different ways to combine moving floor modules, and in stationary applications you might find very specific solutions.